Hi, in front of me is ULEFONE Armor 5S, and today I would like to show you how you can connect this device through Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings. Now tap on Bluetooth and click on the switcher. Select Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show up. Then click on the one that you want to connect to. Select Pair and wait for it to accept your connection request. As you can see, my device was successfully connected. If you want to forget this connection, you can click on this device, choose Forget, and then click on Forget Device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!